Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures.
Timo realizes he cannot find his compass. He looks around the forest floor. He wants to find it before moving on. An important word becomes useful. Locate. Locate means to find where something is. Timo looks near his backpack and footprints. He spots something shiny under a leaf. It is his compass. Now he is ready to continue. Timo remembers that to locate means to find something's place. He learns that staying calm helps him search more carefully.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.